suddenly when he was to become the president forever, how did he then look at zero COVID policy? Shrewdly he used zero COVID policy to immobilize a country of 1.4 billion population. Immobilized. Made them not move an inch out of their house. In the name of zero COVID, he made sure that his ascension, his enthronement, becoming the emperor of China, successful. And after ascension to his throne, he still did not relax the zero COVID regime. And this had been suffocating the people of China. Buildings, houses, housing corporations, villages, towns, cities, people were suffocated. There were many people who didn't have enough food to eat. Parents who are not able to feed their own children. Because the people of China have been habituatedly, I'm repeating, people of China have been habituatedly living with this in the name of nationalism, in the name of protecting the government. Now they're saying enough is enough. We will protest unless Xi Jinping, unless Chinese Communist Party go, people of China are going to suffer. I call this revolution because people of China have now decided it's not the tweaking of policies that until and unless Xi Jinping goes, until and unless the Chinese Communist Party goes, there will be no peace, there will be no life in China. And therefore